people, Bonnie Raitt, Susan Tataski, or Chitaski, I can never pronounce her last name. But I heard it. It was like one of the first Hollywood parties I ever went to, and I was still a teenager. And there was all these people running around who were making a living at their music, and you know, I looked up to all these people, and I thought, man, that's what I want to do. And Bonnie Raitt came in, and she told Lowell George and Danny Hutton, the Three Dog Night, and Robert Palmer, she goes, hey, I'm going to put this song on my next album, Angel from Montgomery. And Lowell George picked up a guitar and this little 5/8 socket and started playing slide, and Bonnie had a guitar. And I was just blown away. But this is my version of Angels from Montgomery. My old man, he's another. Child has grown old. Your dreams were lightning, and thunder were desire. This old house would have burned down a long time ago. Montgomery, and make me a poster, cause I love that old rodeo. And give me the one thing, Lord, that I can hold on to. Cause believing is living, it's just a heart. Oh, it's a heart. It's a hard way to go. When I was a young girl, I had me a cowboy. Yeah, one must look at him now. It's just a free rammer man. That was a long time now. No matter how hard I tried, the years just roll by, like a broken down dam. So make me an angel, hey, yeah, that flies from Montgomery, and make me a poster, cause I love that old rodeo. And give me the one thing, Lord, I can hold on to. Cause believing is living, it's a heart. Hey, it's a heart. Oh, it's a hard way to go. And I ain't done a damn thing, no, since I woke up today. How the hell can a person go to work in the morning, come home in the evening, and not have a fucking thing to say? So make me an angel, hey, that flies from Montgomery, no, and make me a poster of that old rodeo. Give me the one thing that I can hold on to, cause I believe in that living, this is a heart. long way to go.